Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace Serpentine Belt 2005 Dodge Grand Caravan, updated. Begin by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the negative battery terminal. Gather basic hand tools, a Serpentine belt tool or long breaker bar, and a replacement belt that matches OEM routing. Wear gloves and safety glasses, and let the engine cool fully. Keep a flashlight handy to inspect pulleys, and the tensioner closely for wear. Start by locating the belt routing diagram under the hood, or take a clear photo to reference later. Use a Serpentine belt tool or suitable breaker bar on the tensioner to rotate it and ease the belt off a pulley, then slowly release tension. Remove the old belt while noting routing and inspect the water pump, alternator, and AC compressor pulleys. Check for rough bearings, cracks, or glazing on the belt path and clean debris. Route the new Serpentine belt around the pulleys exactly as shown in the diagram, leaving the tensioner pulley for last. Use the breaker bar to pull the tensioner back and slip the belt over the final pulley, then slowly release the tensioner to seat the belt. Double-check alignment on every pulley, then reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start the engine briefly and listen for any squeaks or misalignment, and recheck belt seating after a short test.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.